Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from Veriforia. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. To opt out of Veriforia, search for your profile by entering your first and last name, along with your city and state, in the search bar, then click Search. Browse through the search results, find your profile, and click View Profile to see the details. Scroll down to the bottom of your profile page and click the Control Profile button. You'll be redirected to Veriforia's opt-out page with your profile URL pre-filled. Enter your full name and email, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Submit Opt-out Request. You'll see a confirmation notice on screen. Veriforia also sent a verification email to the address from Step 4. Check your inbox for an email from Veriforia. Open it and click the verification link to opt out. You'll see a confirmation and your info will be removed from their site. Congratulations on opting out of Veriforia. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.